Welcome to the series of e-learning modules on statistics. In this module, we are going to cover Bernoulli distribution. By the end of this session, you will be able to know Bernoulli distribution and various measures of Bernoulli distribution, the application of the Bernoulli distribution, and the sum of independent Bernoulli variables. Bernoulli distribution was discovered by a Swiss scientist, James Bernoulli, who lived from 1654 to 1705, and his research was published in the year 1713, that is 8 years after his death. Definition: a random variable x which assumes values 1 and 0 with respective probabilities p and q is equal to 1 minus p. This is called the Bernoulli variable. In other words, a random variable x is said to follow Bernoulli distribution with parameter p if its probability mass function is given of the form probability of x equal to p to the power x into q to the power 1 minus x for x is equal to 0 and 1 and equals to 0 otherwise, where p lies between 0 and 1 and p plus q is equal to 1. And we write as x follows Bernoulli p, read as x follows Bernoulli distribution for parameter p. The following graph shows the probability mass function PMF of Bernoulli distribution. Distribution function f of x is equal to 0 for x less than 0 is equal to 1 minus p for when x lies between 0 and 1 and is equal to 1 for x greater than or equal to 1. The following graph shows the cumulative distribution function for different values of p. Let us discuss the examples of Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli random variables occur in a number of instances in practice. It is very useful for modeling an event that may or may not occur. A fair coin is tossed. Let the random variable x take values 1 and 0 according as the toss result, in head or tail respectively. Then x is a Bernoulli variable with parameter p half. Here x denotes the head obtained in the toss. Let's take another example. Let the variable x take values 1 and 0 according as a newborn baby is male or female respectively. Then x is a Bernoulli variate with parameter p, which is probability baby is male. Here x denotes the newborn baby is male. Let's take another example. A bomb is dropped from an aeroplane on a bridge. Let the variable x take the values 1 and 0 according to the bomb succeeding or failing to hit the bridge. Then x is a Bernoulli variate with p being the probability that the bomb hits the bridge. Here x is the number of bombs hitting the bridge. A further example can be, let the variable x take values 1 and 0 according to the industrial product which is being tested and the result being that it is defective or non-defective. Then x is a Bernoulli variate with parameter P being the probability that the product is defective. Here X is the defective product manufactured by the industry. Likewise, we can give many examples for Bernoulli distribution, namely success of medical treatment, interviewed person is female, or student passing in an examination, transmittance of a disease, etc. In fact, any random experiment can be dichotomized, which can be divided into only two classes, to yield a Bernoulli trial. Let us now discuss mean and variance of Bernoulli distribution. If X follows Bernoulli distribution with parameter P, then probability distribution of X can be written as X 1 and 0 and probability of X being P and Q. Expectation of X equal to summation of X into probability of X, which is equal to 1 into P plus 0 into Q, which is equal to P. Therefore, mean expectation of X is equal to P. Variance is given by V of X equal to expectation of X square minus expectation of X the whole square. Let us consider E of X square equal to summation X square into probability of X, which is equal to 1 square into P plus 0 square into Q, which is equal to P. Hence, V of X is equal to P minus P2, which is equal to P into 1 minus P, which is equal to PQ. Standard deviation is given by root of V of X equal to root of PQ. Observe that for Bernoulli distribution, mean is greater than that of variance. Let us now discuss the moment generating function, MGF. Mx of t equal to expectation of e to the power tx, which is equal to e to the power t into 1 into p plus e to the power t into 0 into q, is equal to p into e to the power t plus q. From moment generating function, we can find raw moments by differentiating m of x of t equal to p into e to the power t plus q with respect to x at t is equal to 0. First derivative m dash x of t is equal to p into e to the power t when t equal to 0 and mu 1 dash is equal to p. Second derivative m double dash of x of t is equal to p into e to the power t when t equal to 0 and mu 2 dash equal to p. Third derivative of mx of t is equal to p into e to the power t when t equal to 0 and mu 3 dash equal to p. Fourth derivative of mx of t is equal to p into e to the power t when t equal to 0 and mu 4 dash equal to p. And hence we can obtain central moments. Mu 2 equal to pq, mu 3 equal to pq of q minus p, mu 4 equal to PQ of 1 minus 3 PQ. Let us now discuss the skewness of the distribution. Beta 1 equal to mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube equal to Q minus P whole square upon PQ. Observe that the skewness depends on the value of the parameter P. Hence, Bernoulli distribution is negatively skewed if P is greater than 0.5. It is positively skewed if P is less than 0.5. And if P is equal to 0.5, the distribution is symmetric. Let us now discuss the kurtosis. Beta 2 equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square equal to 1 upon PQ minus 3. The kurtosis goes to infinity for high and low values of P. However, for P is equal to 1 by 2, the Bernoulli distribution has very low kurtosis than any other distribution. Let us now discuss the mean deviation from the mean. Mean deviation from mean is given by MD equal to expectation of absolute x minus E of x, which is equal to expectation of absolute x minus P, which is equal to summation absolute x minus P into P of x, which is equal to summation of absolute x minus P into P to the power x into Q to the power 1 minus x, which is equal to PQ plus PQ, which is equal to 2PQ. Result 1. If x has Bernoulli distribution with parameter P, then can show that 1 minus x is also a Bernoulli variate with parameter Q. We prove the above result by using moment generating function of Bernoulli distribution. We have m1 minus x of t equal to e of e to the power t of 1 minus x, which is equal to e of e to the power t into e to the power minus tx, which is equal to e to the power t into e of e to the power minus tx, which is equal to e to the power t into summation e to the power minus tx into probability of x, which is equal to e to the power t into summation e to the power minus tx into p to the power x into q to the power 1 minus x, which is equal to e to the power t of e to the power minus t into 0 into p to the power 0 into q to the power 1 minus 0 plus e to the power minus t into 1 into p to the power 1 into q to the power 1 minus 1. This is equal to e to the power t into q plus p. This is the moment generating function of Bernoulli distribution with parameter q. Hence, by uniqueness theorem of MGF, 1 minus x has Bernoulli distribution with parameter q. Result 2. If x be a Bernoulli random variable with parameter 0.5, then we can show that the 10th raw moment is also 0.5. Given that x is Bernoulli variate with parameter 0.5, we know that the MGF of the distribution is mx of t equal to p into e to the power t. To find the 10th raw moment, we need to differentiate the MGF 10 times at t is equal to 0. And all the derivative of p into e to the power t plus q is p into e to the power t. At t is equal to 0, the 10th derivative becomes pe0 is equal to p. Hence, the 10th raw moment is p is equal to 0.5. Now, let us solve few problems. Illustration 1. If x is a Bernoulli variate with p is equal to 0.45, find the mean and variance. Also find the probability that the variate takes the value 0. Solution. It is given that x is a Bernoulli variate and p is equal to 0.45. Q is equal to 1 minus p, thus is equal to 0.55. Hence, p of x equal to p to the power x into q to the power 1 minus x at x equal to 0 or 1 is equal to 0. Otherwise, mean p is 0.45. Variance PQ is 0.45 into 0.55, which is equal to 0.2475. Probability that the variable takes value 0 is given by substitution x0 in probability of x. Therefore, p of x equal to 0 equal to p to the power 0 into q to the power 1 minus 0 equal to 0.45 to the power 0 into 0.55 to the power 1 minus 0 equals 0.55. Illustration 2. A biased coin is tossed, which has the probability of head appearing as 0.72. Find the probability that a tail occurs. Solution. Let a random variable x denote head occurs in a single toss. Hence, x has Bernoulli distribution with probability of success p as 0.72. Hence, q is equal to 1 minus p, which is equal to 0.28. Hence, probability of x equal to p to the power x into q to the power 1 minus x at x equal to 0, 1. Probability of getting a tail means getting no head in a single toss. Therefore, probability of x equal to 0 equal to p to the power 0 into q to the power 1 minus 0 equal to 0.72 to the power 0 into 0.28 to the power 1 minus 0 is equal to 0.28. Let us take another illustration. In a city with 4 lakh voters, 1,25,000 are in favor of a particular party. If a randomly selected voter prefers a particular party, then a random variable x assumes value 1. Otherwise, let it take value 0. Find the mean and standard deviation of x. Solution. Given that out of 4 lakh voters, 1,25,000 are in favor of a particular party, and the variable takes value 1 if a selected voter favors that party. That is, probability of x minus 1 is equal to 1,25,000 by 4 lakhs, which is equal to 0.3125. Hence, x, which is the Bernoulli probability, is 0.3125 and q is 1 minus p, which is 0.6875. Therefore, mean of x, p, is equal to 0.3125. Variance of x, pq, is 0.3125 into 0.6875, which is equal to 0.2148. And the standard deviation is given by root of 0.2148, which is 0.4635. Now let us discuss the sum of independent Bernoulli variables. Let a Bernoulli experiment be conducted, repeated n times. Let the variable xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, etc. till n, take values 1 and 0 according to the ith experiment is a success or a failure. Then xi is a Bernoulli variate with parameter p. It denotes the number of successes in the ith experiment. Let x is equal to x1 plus x2 and so on till xn. Then x denotes the number of successes in these n repetitions. Following cases give the sum of independent Bernoulli variables. Let a coin be tossed 3 times. Let xi, for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, be a variable which takes values 1 and 0 according to the ith toss result in head or tail. Then x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 denotes the number of heads obtained in 3 tosses. Let's take another example. A dog gives birth to 5 puppies. Let xi, I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, be a variable which takes values 1 and 0 according to the ith puppy is male or female. Then x is equal to x1 plus x2 and so on till x5 denotes the number of male puppies among the 5 puppies. Another example, 8 bombs are dropped on a bridge. Let xi, I being 1, 2 and so on till 8, be a variable which takes values 1 and 0 according as the ith bomb succeeds or fails to hit the bridge. Then x is equal to x1 plus x2 and so on till x8 denotes the number of bombs hitting the bridge among the 8 bombs. Here's a summary of our learning in this session. Bernoulli distribution and various measures of Bernoulli distribution. The application of the Bernoulli distribution and the sum of independent Bernoulli variables.